Ever gotten stuck off-road with no reliable recovery gear to escape safely? In this video, we'll break down the best off-road recovery gear for tough trails and challenging conditions. You'll learn what performs best, what offers the most value, and which recovery tools deserve space in your vehicle. After watching, be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices of each product. Let's get started. Number 1. Rhino USA Synthetic Soft Shackle Rope. Getting stuck off-road is stressful without recovery gear you can trust. This 2-pack uses strong synthetic rope with a 44,050-pound minimum braking strength. Each soft shackle measures half an inch thick and 22 inches long. The flexible design is easy to handle and stores without taking much space. The synthetic material won't rust like metal shackles. It also fits many recovery setups for trucks, Jeeps, UTVs, ATVs, and other off-road vehicles. You'll notice the lighter weight during every recovery job. The soft design helps reduce damage if the shackle drops or snaps under force. It's also easier to pack than heavy steel hardware. If you enjoy trails often, this is a smart addition to your best off-road recovery gear without adding much weight. This is best for drivers who want lightweight recovery equipment and already use recovery ropes or straps. Buy this if you want safer, lighter recovery gear. Skip it if you need a complete recovery kit. Its biggest strength is strong performance with easy handling. Number 2. GRIZZEX Off-Road Recovery Kit. A full recovery kit saves time when trail problems happen far from help. The GRIZZEX Off-Road Recovery Kit includes a 3-inch by 8-foot tree saver strap, an 8.8-ton snatch block, 2 3/4-inch D-ring shackles, and a storage bag. Each piece is built for heavy recovery work on trucks, SUVs, Jeeps, UTVs, ATVs, and trailers. The included bag keeps everything together so your gear stays organized between trips. You'll have several recovery tools ready instead of buying each piece later. The tree saver helps protect anchor points, while the snatch block gives more pulling options during difficult recoveries. The storage bag also makes packing faster before every trip. New off-road drivers will find the complete setup easy to carry and use. This is best for drivers building their first recovery setup or anyone wanting one organized package. Buy the GRIZZEX kit if you want a complete recovery kit. Skip it if you only need one replacement item. Its biggest strength is solid value with useful recovery essentials in one bag. Number 3. Rhino USA Kinetic Recovery Rope. A hard recovery pull can strain your vehicle and recovery points. This 1-inch by 30-foot kinetic recovery rope is built to stretch under load before pulling. That controlled stretch helps transfer force more smoothly than a standard tow strap. The heavy-duty rope is designed for trucks, Jeeps, UTVs, and ATVs. Its durable construction handles repeated off-road use while remaining flexible enough for easy storage. You'll notice smoother recoveries when a vehicle is buried in mud, sand, or loose dirt. The rope helps reduce harsh jolts that can happen during recovery pulls. It's also easy to coil and store after the trail. Drivers who recover vehicles often will appreciate the controlled pulling action during demanding situations. This is best for experienced off-road drivers who want smoother recoveries with compatible recovery points. Buy this if you need controlled recovery pulls. Skip it if you only need a basic tow strap. Its biggest strength is smooth force transfer during difficult recoveries. Number 4. Warn 97565 Medium Duty Epic Accessory Recovery Kit. The right recovery tools matter when conditions change without warning. The Warn 97565 Medium Duty Recovery Kit combines several key accessories in one package for off-road use. The components are made for regular trail recoveries and pair well with compatible winch systems. The gear is built with durable materials and comes organized for easier transport and faster access when recovery is needed. You'll spend less time searching for separate recovery pieces during a trail stop. The organized kit helps keep essential gear together, making preparation easier before every trip.
It also suits drivers who want dependable accessories from a brand known for off-road recovery equipment. Regular trail users will appreciate having common recovery tools packed in one place. This is best for off-road drivers who already have a winch and want quality recovery accessories together. Buy this if you want dependable recovery accessories in one kit. Skip it if you need traction boards instead. Its biggest strength is organized, durable gear for frequent trail use.
Number 5. Bunker Industry Off-Road Traction Boards with Jack Base. Spinning tires won't help when mud, sand, or snow takes away traction. These 7th-generation traction boards are built from strong, reinforced material for repeated off-road use. The aggressive surface grips your tires, while the built-in jack base adds extra support during recovery. The pair comes with a storage bag, making transport easier between trips. They're made for 4x4 vehicles, trucks, Jeeps, and SUVs facing loose or slippery ground. You'll often recover your vehicle without another truck or a winch. Place the boards under the drive tires, then ease forward for better grip. The jack base also adds flexibility during roadside repairs or difficult trail conditions. They're easy to clean and pack after the drive, making them useful for regular outdoor trips. This is best for solo travelers, overlanders, and weekend off-road drivers who want self-recovery equipment. Buy this if you want a reliable self-recovery option. Skip it if you only need towing gear. Its biggest strength is helping vehicles regain traction without outside assistance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.